Get ready for an electrifying upgrade coming to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Brace yourselves because this news is about to spark your excitement. The Galaxy S24 is still months away from its grand debut, but guess what? Some spectacular secrets are already surfacing. Hold on to your seats because we've got the scoop. You might have heard the whispers about the next-gen Samsung stars arriving in both Exynos and Snapdragon versions. But here's the kicker. The jaw-dropping revelation is all about the camera. Yep, you heard that right. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is about to redefine your photography game with an astonishing camera upgrade that's sending shockwaves through the tech universe. Hold on to your pixels, because the latest word from the ever-reliable tipster ice universe is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is stepping up its camera game. Get this, a whopping 50 megapixels of telephoto power, complete with a 3x optical zoom. That's a camera that's 5 times sharper than the already awesome 3x telephoto lens on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Can you feel the excitement building? But that's not all. Oh no. The new camera sensor isn't just cranking up the megapixels, it's also likely to be larger than the one on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And what does that mean? Brace yourselves for mind-blowing image and video quality that will make your eyes pop and your jaw drop. The Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't just raising the bar, it's sending it soaring into the stratosphere. Zoom in and witness the magic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't stopping at 3x zoom. With this groundbreaking upgrade, you're in for mind-blowing image and video quality across the entire zoom spectrum, all the way up to 9x. Say goodbye to those blurry in-between zoom levels that left you wanting more. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is here to save the day and bring clarity to every shot. But hold on to your pixels, because that's not the end of the story. Rumor has it that the primary camera will flaunt the same mind-boggling 200-megapixel ISO Cell HP2 camera sensor. And wait for it. Even the 10x telephoto camera is getting a sprinkle of improvement magic. The only thing left on Samsung's checklist is an upgrade for the ultra-wide camera, and boy, is it going to be a treat. Prepare your eyes for sharper, more detailed ultra-wide and macro shots, courtesy of a 48-megapixel or 50-megapixel sensor. So there you have it, folks. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute photography powerhouse, ready to take your visual adventures to a whole new level. With upgrades that are about to blow your mind, it's safe to say that the future of smartphone photography is looking brighter and more vibrant than ever before. Peace out.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies.